Hello, very good morning to all of you. So today we are learning important concept diary making. Okay, diary writing. So nowadays we have seen many example of diary writing. Okay, we have seen many great men also wrote their personal experience and their personal life in diary. Then the world come to know about their personal experience and their personal life. Okay, so, diary is a form. Okay, diary is an informal form of writing. Okay, in in our diary, we share our secrets. Okay, without any fear or without any favor. Okay, so diary is an informal and personal form of writing. Okay, and diary is based on personal experience, daily happenings, and event of personal or public life. Okay, and we have seen most of the great men had mentioned their personal experience and their personal life or their secrets in their diary. Okay, then we came to know about them, how they were, okay, in their personal life. So diary is an informal and personal form of writing. Okay, if I give you an example, so in Germany, there was a girl, Annie Frank, living with her family, and they were Jewish. Okay, so when at the time of Second World War, when Germany had increased, when in Germany, Nazi party, Hitler's party, means Nazi party, had gained its power, so the Jewish had to leave Germany. Okay, because Nazi party killing Jewish people. Okay, Nazi party was killing Jewish people. So any Frank family had to had to leave Germany. Then they shifted in Poland. Okay, but they had been caught. Okay, they had been caught by Nazi party. They had to send to concentration camp where they had died. Okay, so these all genocide and Holocaust. Okay, Annie Frank mentioned in her diary. Okay, Annie Frank just share all the secret at the time of Second World War and uh, the happenings in Germany. Okay, with Jewish people by Nazi party, the torture by Nazi party. She had mentioned, she had shared in her diary. Okay, then after her death, the diary come to know to the world. Okay, and then her diary published in 1947. So she exposed, okay, she exposed everything. Her diary exposed everything about the Holocaust and the genocide. Okay, happened at the time of Second World War in Germany by Nazi party. Okay, so that's why the diary writing is most important mean. Generally, we write diary at night, because we mention, we share everything. Okay, we share whole days activity and whole days our experience in our diary and happenings. Okay, and in diary we use personal pronoun. We always use personal pronoun in our diary because it's our personal, and we can share our secrets, our joy, our sorrow, our experiences, our fear we can mention in our diary. So it is a best way to share our secrets. Okay, and diary is a reliable and trusted companion for everyone. Okay, so then if we talk about the format, how to write diary. Okay, so format, uh, when you are going to write in exam, so keep the diary. Okay, keep the format in box, in enclosed box. So number one, left hand side on the top, day and date. Okay, right hand side on the top, time. Okay, then left hand side below, date and day and date, just address and salutation for your diary. Means you can keep name of diary, dear diary, or dear kitty, or dear diary, anything. Okay, then heading number four, if we talk about the body. Okay, body of the diary. So in body of the diary you can share your personal happenings. Okay, your personal and public happenings and whole day's activity in informal way you can mention in body. Okay, then at last you can again write good night. Okay, you can write good night. Okay, then you can write your first name at last, left hand side. Okay, so this is the format of diary making. Okay, then we'll see diary. Okay, we'll see example of diary. So we have a question. Okay, you received the first prize in an essay writing competition. You received first prize in an essay writing competition, and were honored by the principal in the morning assembly. So it was a time of morning assembly when principal sir called you, and before everyone, principal sir honor you. Okay, award you. Okay, for what? Because you had won essay writing competition. Okay, so now you wanted to share everything in your diary. So first, keep the diary in close box. Okay, when you are going to write in exam. Okay, so you can write in box also. Then on the top left hand side. Okay, and left hand side on the top mention day and date. Okay, right hand side on the top mention time. Okay, then left hand side below day and date, you write the name of your diary, dear kitty. Okay, dear diary. Then you start making main body of diary. It can be two or three in paragraph. Okay, and here you have to mention about your personal and public happenings or activities, whole days activities you can mention here. Public and personal happenings or whole days activity you can mention here. Okay, so then you started. I am so happy. Okay, I'm so happy and excited at this moment. Okay, you were so happy. You know that today I got the first prize in an inter-school essay writing competition. So you mentioned that. You mentioned to he is going to talk to his diary. He got the first prize. Okay, in morning assembly. So why? Because he had won essay writing competition. Okay, I received the prize from principal ma'am. Okay, principal ma'am was there, who awarded the boy. Okay, and she praised the boy before all the school students in the morning assembly time. Okay, then then he's talking about himself. I still cannot believe that this kind of audition from my teacher, classmate, and family members has been given to me. Okay, so it was the moment of courage. Okay, it was the moment of giving courage to him. Okay, they all appreciate him. They all just wish him or congratulate him. Okay, so it was very fine or good moment for him. Okay, but I never dreamed that one day my hobby would give me so much praise and respect. Okay, so it was the day when his dream just came to true. Okay, now I have decided to pursue my hobby as my profession and would make sincere effort to sharpen my writing ability. Okay, so essay writing was his hobby. Okay, but now he wanted to make his profession. Now he wanted to make his profession. Okay, his hobby. So his hobby, writing skill. Okay, he wanted to increase his writing skill right now. Okay, and now he was just writing like his hobby, but now he wanted to make essay writing his profession. Okay, so for that he needed more ability. Okay, so that's why he started writing more and more things. Okay, so it was about diary. Okay, if we talk about one more subject, your school closed for summer vacation, you are excited and happy about having long holiday. Okay, so describe how you spend your first holiday in the form of diary entry. Okay, so now you have got summer vacation and you had to spend your summer days. So how do you spend? Okay, so easily you can left hand side day and date, right hand side time, then left hand side below day and date mention what name, mention the salutation, dear diary. Okay, then you can start. Okay, so today was your first day of holiday. Okay, you have got 2 months holiday and you are feeling very relaxed. Okay, now you have no tension to go to school, no tension for homework. Okay, and that's why you slept for long time. Okay, because you no need early rising on today. Okay, so then after awaking you had a yummy breakfast. Okay, then tomorrow is mom's birthday. Tomorrow it was the birthday of your mother. Okay, so now you need some planning how to do, what to do. Okay, so you were excited for tomorrow. Okay, and then you had planned for movie and dinner, and you just plan for your favorite restaurant. Okay, and long drive. So then a surprise gift is also there on our cards for our sweet and dear mom. Just cannot wait for tomorrow. Okay. So then you plan for surprise. Okay, giving to your mom also. So it was about diary writing. Okay, you can write your personal secrets in the diary. Okay, so diary is an informal and personal form of writing. Okay,